Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm excited to take you through a comprehensive analysis of the bank and its supply chain management strategy. This presentation explores how Nodia applies the supply chain principles in the financial services sector using the SCORE model. I'm also gonna identify the bottleneck and suggest improvements based on the operational theories. Regarding the company overview, the Bank Nordea is a major Nordic financial institution based in Denmark. Headquartered in Copenhagen, it dominates the Nordic market, serving more than 9 million customers across Denmark, Sweden, Finland, and Norway. What sets Nordea apart is its commitment to digital transformation, sustainability, and customer-centric innovation. For insurance, its mobile banking app is used by millions daily, and its ESG initiatives are industry-leading. This strong foundation is crucial as we examine its supply chain which supports these vast operations. The European banking sector is one of the most regulated and competitive in the world. The banking sector is undergoing the rapid transformation due to regulatory shifts, technology, and customer expectations. In Europe, Nordea competes in a complex and regulated market. To thrive, they must adopt the new technologies while maintaining the security, compliance, and customer satisfaction. Nordea simply offers a wide variety of financial products, including personal banking, loans, investment services, and insurance. Its digital platforms, such as mobile apps and online tools, enhance customer experience. These services are built to be secure, scalable, and user-friendly. Nordea's portfolio is vast, ranging from everyday personal banking to complex commercial financial solutions. Here are some highlights: digital banking, wealth management, mortgage leading, and insurance. Behind these services is a sophisticated supply chain ensuring seamless delivery, which will unpack the next. Role of supply chain management in banking. Although banks don't manage physical products like retailers, they still have supply chains, mostly the digital and service based. For Nordea, managing vendors, IT services, and compliance effectively is key to delivering seamless, secure financial services to its clients. When we think of supply chains, we often imagine factories and logistics. In banking, it's entirely different. Here, the SCM revolves around the service delivery, ensuring 24/7 uptime for the digital platforms, the vendor management, partnering with fintech firms for cutting-edge solutions, the data security, protecting customers' information in an era of cyber threats, the compliance, meeting ever-changing regulatory requirements. For Nordea, effective SCM means customers can trust their money is safe, their app works flawlessly, and their data is secure, are non-negotiable in today's digital age. Regarding the SCORE model overview, the SCORE model breaks down supply chains into five core processes: plan, strategy and demand forecasting, the source, procuring services from vendors, make developing financial products, and in deliver distributing services to customers, the return, handling expectations like fraud or complaints. While these terms originate in manufacturing, they translate seamlessly to banking. For example, make for Nordea means developing a new mobile app feature, while deliver is ensuring it reaches customers without hiccups. The SCORE model helps Nordea break down and optimize its operational processes. To develop for manufacturing, the SCORE model also works well in the banking when interpreted in terms of service planning, the digital product development, and also vendor coordination. Nordea's score framework. Each part of the score model maps to Nordea's the banking environment. Planning supports resource allocation. The sourcing refers to tech partners. Making involves service development. The delivering covers customers' interaction, and returns deal with error resolution. Enabling function supports this operation. Here's how Nordea maps to the score model. In plan, they uses AI to predict IT capacity needs and align with sustainability goals. In source, partners with fintech, vendors, but not without rigorous ASC and security checks. In Make, Agile teams builds apps like Nodia mobile in scripts. In Deliver, like they can combine cloud infrastructure with physical branches for omni-channel services, and in return, that their AI DX fraud in real time, reducing the resolution time from days to hours. This frameworks isn't just theoretical, it's how Nodia ensures efficiency at every steps. Regarding the planning process, the bank Nodia uses predictive tools and AI to forecast service demands and align IT resources accordingly. It also considers the market trends and regulatory environments to guide decision making and ensure the operational readiness in both digital and physical channels. Planning at Nodia isn't just about budgets, it's also about anticipating in the future. For instance, in predictive analytics, like the AI models forecast peak loads during tax season, ensuring servers don't crash. In risk management, scenarios are simulated to prepare for cyber attacks or market crashes. And in sustainability, like every IT upgrade is evaluated for carbon footprint. This proactive approach is why the bank Nordea outperforms the regional competitors in uptime and customer satisfactions. Regarding the sources process, Nordea Bank partners with several vendors for technology, security, and consultancy. Nordea doesn't build everything in-house. It relies on vendors for cloud services, AWS for secure data storage, like fintech innovations, partnering with startups for blockchain-based payments. But this introduces risks. For example, in 2024, NYDFS find revealed the gaps in vendor AML compliance. Nodia now uses vendor scorecards to track performance, but challenges remain a theme we'll return to. This ensures that the vendors are aligned with the bank's standards and values and helps reduce disruptions. In the making process, the service development at Nodia focuses on the digital innovation. Agile teams collaborate with fintech partners to build products like investment tools and banking apps. Furthermore, let's explore Nodia's make process, where ideas become digital products. For example, the Nodia mobile, their flagship app, is developed using Agile methodologies. Teams work in sprints to roll out the feature like biometric login or real-time spending analytics. But here's the catch, the legacy systems slow this down. Imagine developers trying to integrate AI-driven chatbots with 20-year-old backend code. It's like fitting a Tesla's autopilot into a vintage Volvo. This bottleneck delays time to market and frustrates customers expecting seamless updates. This phase is crucial in maintaining a competitive edge and also the meeting customers' expectations. Nodia Bank delivers services through secure digital platforms and physical branches. The emphasis is on reliability and real-time access. Nodia ensures a smooth user experience by investing in cloud services, the cybersecurity and support infrastructure. Delivery is where the Nodia's bank supply chain faces its ultimate test. Services reach customers through the digital channels where mobile apps and web portals powered by cloud infrastructure for 99.9% uptime, and in physical branches is still critical for complex services like mortgages. But legacy systems create cracks in this seamless facade. For instance, a customer might apply for a loan online only to wait days for approval because new APIs can't communicate with old systems. This disconnect is a key pain point we'll address later. In banking, returns refers to handling errors, fraud cases, or customer complaints. Nodia's advanced fraud systems and strong customer service ensure quick resolution. These processes are vital for maintaining the trust and meeting legal obligation. In banking, return isn't about physical goods, it's also about the fixing errors. Like Nodia handles fraud claims For example, AI detects suspicious transactions in real time, like a $10,000 withdrawal in Tokyo 10 minutes after a Helsinki login. Like comprehensive failure, the 2024 NYDFS find revealed gaps in anti-money laundering reporting, while Nodia's AI tools resolve 90% of fraud cases within hours. Manual processes for regulatory returns can take weeks, a critical inefficiency. Relying on third-party vendors brings certain risks. If a vendor fails or is compromised, it affects Nordia services. Managing these relationships effectively is difficult due to complex contracts and limited visibility into the vendor operations. Bank Nordia's reliance on third-party vendors is a double-edged sword. Take their partnership with fintech acts for blockchain payments. While innovative, it introduced risks like the data breaches, the compliance gaps, the root cause, complex contracts with vague SLAs. For example, a vendor might promise 99% uptime but in define downtime differently than Nodia. This misalignment cost a 12-hour mobile app outlast the last year. Some of Nodia's older systems still rely on legacy technology, making integration with modern platforms challenging. Nodia's core systems run on COBOL, a programming language older than most of its employees. A 2025 internal audit found that the 40% of its budgets go to maintaining these systems, not innovation. It's like spending millions to repair a sinking ship instead of building a new one. Constant regulatory changes require Nodia to frequent adopt complaints. Updates can delay product the rollouts and strain internal resources. It's essential to balance innovation with legal responsibilities. In EU banking, regulations change 3-4 times yearly. Uh, we analyzed that the bottlenecks using the ISIS NOT tool is isolate root causes, the Pareto to prioritize key issues, and fishbone diagrams to explore underlying problems. This also helped to identify that delays were more internal than vendor related and pointed towards system the limitations and unclear policies. To address challenges, the Bank Nodia should modernize its systems, automate compliance, and clarify the vendor expectations. Leveraging AI in regulatory tech and increasing staff training will gonna boost speed, accuracy, and operational resilience. In the slide 18, Node's supply chain is digital, dynamic, and complex. By applying the SCO model and resolving the operational bottlenecks, the bank can enhance its efficiency and continue delivering secure, reliable services to millions of customers across the Nordics. And also, Nordea can turn bottleneck into differentiators. The result, the faster innovation, lower cost, and most importantly, a seamless experience for 9 million customers, which is a huge.